How to see and cancel sent friend requests on Facebook on iPhone. To do this, open the Facebook app. Then, tap on this icon to open the menu. After that, choose Friends. On Friends screen, select Requests on the top left corner. On Requests, if you have received a friend request from someone, it will be displayed on this screen. On this Facebook tutorial, we wanna see and cancel a request that we made. So, to see a sent request, tap on the 3 horizontal dots at the top. Next, tap View Sent Requests. In this example, I have 2 friend requests. If I wanna cancel one of them, for instance, I just need to tap on the cancel button to do it. Touch the subscribe button for more Facebook tutorials.